So, ever since Google started replacing the Google Assistant with Gemini on their Pixel devices, I have been wondering if it's the end of the Google Assistant. And it got me thinking, will Gemini replace Bixby on Samsung devices? So, Android smartphones, including Samsung, has always been closely integrated with Google services, which is of no surprise since Google owns Android. So, since Samsung smartphones run Android, it's a possibility that Google might try to get Samsung to replace Bixby with its new assistant Gemini. But for that to happen, Gemini would have to be smarter, more intuitive, reliable, and just better in general. So, that's what we're testing in today's video. Bixby versus Gemini. Which one is the ultimate assistant? So without wasting any time, let's get started. First, I'll ask some general questions to test their conversational skills. Hey Bixby, what's the weather forecast for tomorrow?
Tomorrow in Dehradun, it will be clear from 0-100 hours to 700 hours with a high of 10 and a low of 9. From 700 hours to 1800 hours, it will be sunny with temperatures ranging from 17 to 9. From 6 p.m. to 0-100 hours.
Okay Google, what's the weather forecast for tomorrow?
In Dehradun, it'll be sunny with a high of 17 and a low of 8.
Hi Bixby, which is the biggest oil company in the world?
Saudi Aramco is the world's largest integrated oil and gas company, and its stock is not traded in the United States. First, Saudi Arabian Oil Co.
Okay Google, which is the biggest oil company in the world?
The biggest oil company in the world is Saudi Aramco.
Hi Bixby, how do you say I'll see you later in Spanish?
In Spanish, that's te veré más tarde.
Okay Google, how do you say I'll see you later in Portuguese?
The most common way to say I'll see you later in Portuguese is te vejo mais tarde.
So, both the assistants answered all three questions. Bixby provided more detailed information for the first two queries, while Gemini offered a better explanation for the third one. Also, I would like to share that mostly Bixby responds much faster, but during this test, it is responding very slowly. Now, let's see if they can complete some daily useful tasks. Hi Bixby, read me the news.
Here are the news. The first three are: first news, late BJP leader's daughter nominated vice president of party's youth wing in J&K. Second news,
Okay Google, read me the news.
here's a summary of some top news stories from today. India, PM Modi meets Microsoft CEO.
Hi Bixby, what's the battery level?
Your device's battery is at 66%.
Okay Google, what's the battery level?
Your battery level is 82%.
Hi Bixby, remind me to pick up groceries before leaving the office at 7 p.m.
Your reminder's saved. Pick up groceries today 7 p.m.
Okay Google, remind me to pick up groceries before leaving the office at 7 p.m.
All right. I'll remind you at 7 p.m. to pick up groceries before leaving the office.
Hi Bixby, tell me all the upcoming calendar events.
January 10th, Rahul Nautil's birthday. January 12th at 1400 hours, backlinks.
Okay Google, tell me all the upcoming calendar events.
I found 7 events that are coming up.
So, both the assistants successfully read the news, announced the battery level and set a reminder. However, when asked about the calendar events, only Bixby announced them, while Gemini just displayed a list. Also, while Bixby is responding unusually slow and Gemini responses time is faster in comparison, it sometimes just opens up and fails to listen to the voice command. By the way, last month I did the ultimate assistant comparison, in which I compared Bixby with Siri, Alexa and Google Assistant. You can check it out by tapping on the I button. Moving on. Hi Bixby, play some music by Alan Walker.
There's no device that can play music for your pet.
Okay Google, play some music by Alan Walker.
Playing on Spotify. By the way, choosing songs is only available to Spotify premium subscribers.
Hi Bixby, what is 81 times 43 times 25 divided by 73?
81 times 43 times 25 divided by 73 comes to about 1192.8082192.
Okay Google, what is 81 times 26 times 43 divided by 74?
I've been improving my skills at evaluating expressions. Let's evaluate this expression. We can evaluate the expression by multiplying the numbers in the numerator and then dividing by the denominator. Steps to solve. 1. Multiply the numbers. 2. Simplify the fraction. Answer.
Hi Bixby, take a portrait selfie. Okay Google, take a portrait selfie.
Taking a selfie.
So, Bixby answered the math question and took a portrait selfie. But oddly enough, it failed to play the music, even though I've used it for that countless times before. Gemini, on the other hand, not only played the music, but took the selfie and also provided a more detailed explanation for the math question. Now, let's see how well they can perform actions like calling and messaging. Hi Bixby, call Nitin.
Calling Nathan.
Okay Google, call Nitin Yadav office.
Calling Nitin Yadav office.
Hi Bixby, video call Nitin on WhatsApp.
Okay, video calling Nathan on WhatsApp.
Okay Google, call Nitin Yadav office on WhatsApp.
I don't see a WhatsApp contact called Nitin Yadav office.
Hi Bixby, start navigation to the Taj Mahal. Okay Google, start navigation to the Taj Mahal.
Unfortunately, navigation is not yet supported.
Hi Bixby, start slideshow in gallery. Okay Google, start a slideshow in gallery.
Here's how to start a slideshow in PowerPoint. 1, open your PowerPoint presentation. 2,
Hey Bixby, open YouTube and play Faded by Alan Walker. Okay Google, open YouTube and play Faded by Alan Walker.
Sure, here's Faded by Alan Walker on YouTube. Alan Walker.
So, both Gemini and Bixby successfully made the voice call, but Gemini failed to complete any of the other tasks. Bixby, on the other hand, handled video calling, navigation, and started a slideshow, and even opening YouTube to play a specific video. Overall, in this test, Bixby came out ahead in terms of task execution and reliability, especially for performing daily actions like video calling, navigation, media control, and even performing specific tasks on third-party apps like YouTube or WhatsApp. However, Gemini impressed me with its faster response time, better explanations, and versatility, even though it's a non-native assistant. So, for now, Bixby remains the more practical assistant. at least for Samsung devices. But if Google continues to refine Gemini, it could very well become a strong contender in the near future. What do you think? Would you prefer Bixby or Gemini as your go-to assistant? Let me know in the comments below. And that concludes our video. I had fun testing both the assistants. If you also enjoyed the video, then give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Gizmo Rush for more cool reviews, comparisons, tutorials and more. Thanks for watching and I'll catch you in the next one.